Welcome to this NeoMed Rx mobile app tutorial. Let's start by entering the mobile app and selecting Login. Enter your email and password to access NeoMed Rx. If you forget the password at any time, select Forgot Password and enter your previously registered email to restore access and create a new password. After writing the email and password, press Done. Once accessed, we can see all the facilities to which we have access within the platform. Select the facility you will be working with by pressing Launch. Next, you will find the main menu of NeoMed Rx. On the far left, you will see the main menu with the following options: Profile, Transactions, Pending Refills, Change Requests, User Agreement, and Privacy Policy. In the Profile selection, you will find the information of the user with whom you entered. If you have more than one facility, you can press Change Facility to return to the main menu of all the facilities assigned to your user. In addition, you can exit the application by pressing the Logout button. Once you press Log Out, to access your account again, you must repeat the login process. On the main screen of the facility where you are working on, there are options for New Rx to create new prescription, Rx for reviews, where the health provider will find the prescription created by other users through the mobile application or the NeoMed EHR. In this area, you can complete the approval process so it could be sent to the patient's pharmacy. Last Patient is the list of recently assisted patients. At the bottom, it shows Create and approve prescriptions. Patient, list of all patients. On the left side, you can inactivate or delete the patient by selecting the box. Click on the patient's name and enter the patient's profile where you can edit their information. And on the right side, by pressing the plus sign, a new prescription can be made. Rx Log. In this area, you can see all the prescriptions that have been made but not sent or have been printed on paper. Let's see the functionality of the new Rx. By pressing New Rx, you will bring up the search area for existing patients or create a new patient. By selecting the patient, the following will appear: ordered on, date and time of the creation, ordered by, the health provider who signs the prescription, requested via, select the route by which the request for the prescription was made. Select among the following options. NA or Not Applicable does not apply to any option. By phone, request made via telephone. Office visit, request made by visit. On the next screen, you can choose the diagnosis, either one previously used or by searching the ICD-10 list within the search tool. Once chosen, you must mark it and press Add Selected. If you need to delete a diagnosis, press the trash can icon. Press Next to go to the next step. In this search area, the medicines will appear, and you can search by the name of the medication. Once the medication is selected, the following information will be needed to complete the prescription. Dosage. Choose the amount and type of dose. Sig. Choose the method, amount, type, route, frequency, and additional instructions required. Example, take the medication with food. Duration. How long the patient should continue the treatment. Substitution allowed. Mark if the generic or bioequivalent is allowed for the treatment. Dispense status. Choose the option you want. This area will always default to initial. Start date and end date. The date the medication begins and ends. Status. The status of the prescription. Intent. The type of medication. Priority. Whether it is a routine or emergency medication. Refill. The number of refills. When you complete all the necessary lines to issue the order, on the next screen, you can review the details of the prescription before continuing with the next step or adding more medications. Now you can search and select the patient's preferred pharmacy where they will receive the prescription along with any additional information or instructions. If the patient has a preferred or previously used pharmacy in the system, it will appear below to be used again. Under Pharmacy Notes, place any special instructions or notes. In the next area, you can search for CPT codes and create an encounter to be billable for the time spent on this patient and the creation of the prescription. This will be documented in the patient profile. This part is optional, although it is extremely important for billing purposes. In the next screen, you can see the summary of the prescription with the information of the health provider, medical facility, and indications. Once reviewed, proceed to enter the password and press Confirm, and then Send to send it to the pharmacy. You can confirm the delivery in the upper bar when it turns green, and with the word Sent. We have now completed the video tutorial. We hope you have enjoyed it and are able to successfully use the innovative NeoMed Rx mobile application. Create New Patient. In the main menu, press New Rx. On the next screen, you will find the following options. Search Area to search for existing patients. Create New Patient. Create a new patient profile. Cancel. Exit the area. Next, continue after selecting an existing patient. To create a new patient, you must press the plus icon next to Create New Patient. In this next screen, the demographic information of the patient is completed by filling out all the demographic information such as name, initials, last name, date of birth, contact number, email, gender, address, type of address, height, and weight. In addition, on this screen, you can add the medical insurance information by using the camera on your mobile device. Once all the information is completed, press Create Patient. This action will open the patient's profile, where you can edit the demographic information, create a prescription, and in the case of an existing patient, view past prescription history. Rx History. Select the patient profile you want to work with. In the profile, you can see the Rx log area at the bottom of the screen, where the history of created prescriptions appears. Currently, we are going to demonstrate how to edit or delete an unprocessed prescription. In the case that prescriptions were created on paper, you must press the X button for the next action you wish to choose. This action will give you the option to cancel or keep it. By pressing Cancel Prescription, an alert will be prompted, which will ask if you wish to continue with the cancellation process. Select the reason for the cancellation and add notes in the Notes area. Once the information is complete, you can press Yes to complete the action. By selecting Keep, you can edit the information previously provided and make changes if necessary. Press Send and the detail of the prescription will appear. At the end of the screen, enter your password to complete the process of sending it to the patient's preferred pharmacy. Rx Review. Reviewing a created prescription by an administrative staff and sending it is extremely easy. In the main menu, press Rx for review. On this screen, you can see the list of patients who have a pending review and delivery of their prescription. NeoMed Rx makes it easy for you to work with an individual or bulk prescription review process. To work in bulk, press the Review and Send All button. This way, the review process is an easy and convenient one step. Review the created prescription. Press Next. Create an encounter and approve by entering your password. Rx Refill. Go to the patient profile and filter all the prescription by completed and date range. View the prescription you wish to repeat in the Rx log area. Press the repeat symbol to refill. A message will appear with the option of Yes, Repeat, Cancel, and a question to confirm if you wish to refill the prescription selected. Choose the option that applies to the case. To refill the prescription, select the No, Only Repeat option and press back to go to the main menu. Then select the patient profile again. Press the pending prescription and review the details. Once the review process is done, input the account password and press Confirm and Send to be able to send the prescription to the preferred pharmacy of the patient.